I need to first consider all the possible outcomes. Jack could have selected a red ball and a red ball, or a green ball and then a red ball. So I need to find the probability for each of these options. The probability of red first would be 3/7. Once this red has been removed, the probability of choosing a red next time would be 2/6. So to find the probability of red and then red again, I need to multiply these probabilities. So 3/7 multiplied by 2/6 is equal to 6/42. This simplifies to a seventh. Next, I need to find the probability of green first and then red. The probability of green first is 4/7. Once this green has been removed, then the probability of the second being red is 3/6. So to find the probability of green and then red, I need to multiply these probabilities together. So 4/7 multiplied by 3/6 is equal to 12/42. This simplifies to 2/7. Now I need to find the probability of red and red, or green and red. To do this, I add the probabilities of red, red and green, red. 1/7 add 2/7 is equal to 3/7. So, the probability that the second ball is red is 3/7. A bag contains 3 red balls and 4 green balls. Jack takes out a ball and places it in his pocket without looking at it. He then takes out a second ball. Find the probability that this ball is red.